What you are going to experience today is going to be a little unusual, a little radical, a little slow. To slow you down so you don't miss what is actually happening. So go ahead and relax, 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 and focus on how you feel this moment. Focus on that feeling we don't always recognize. Fear. To know you have fear, or that fear is appearing, is actually a great insight. And for many people, it's that we don't feel fear. We keep ourselves busy, have excuses and justifications and stories. To be able to feel fear is the beginning of our journey into the human heart. And you can spend an entire day without realizing you're doing things out of fear, out of insecurity. Looking for a better experience in the future because we have the sense that there is always something missing here. There is always something missing here. And then a loss of energy happens in the body-mind system. That's why you get to the end of day and you feel tired but not fulfilled. And it's perfectly normal to feel fear. It's the starting block for liberation. Who is the one who feels afraid? Is that really you? Is that really you? Is that really you? Or just a voice telling stories? And is this voice really yours? And how do you know? When we notice the fear, we can start gently breathing into it. Gently, ever so softly. Gently, ever so softly. So we need to be comfortable with fear. It's such a fertile state of emptiness that precedes all creativity. And it isn't meant to be comfortable. So stay open, let it remain, and don't put yourself under any pressure to change it. Just let it in, and only your openness will show you the magic. See, fear is like bacteria. It grows only in the dark place, where it's not being seen. But once seen through, exposed to light, it has no substance, no reality to it. It has no substance. It has no reality to it. No reality to it. It's just a voice made of nothing. An image or images appearing made of nothing, nothing, nothing. It's like drawing a tiger with pencils on a piece of paper in front of you. And when you are finished and your art is so well done, so convincing, you jump up, get scared of the picture and run away. Fear is essentially hope for a different experience. As if there was something missing here. As if the apparent reality was somehow flawed or incomplete. And the person you believe yourself is a hope for a different experience. Constantly looking for fulfillment in the future. But the fulfillment cannot be found in the future. It is the illusion that there is something or someone who will bring us the fulfillment we are looking for. It is the illusion that stops us from ever discovering deeply that there is already always nothing missing here. And any single moment is missing absolutely nothing. So imagine a beautiful painting in a museum. It is estimated to be the most beautiful painting ever. It is estimated to be the most beautiful painting ever. There is no comparison to it. That's how beautiful it is. The depth, the colors, the saturation, the idea, the beauty, the vibrance. Each painting appears to say a story. But in reality, it is just colors and shapes. It is our mind that always creates stories. There is no continuity, just this, just this, just this, just this. Just a painting like reality appearing. All the story is happening in the mind. And there is nothing except of this, just this, just this, just this. And even this is ultimately an appearance. Now, wherever you are, at any moment, take a screenshot of your life in your imagination. Maybe you will see some room and a headless body in it that you believe it's you. Maybe a phone screen with Olivia in it. Whatever it is, freeze that picture. A screenshot of your life. How many things are there in that screenshot? Many? Or just one? Just one screenshot. It's just one appearing to be many. It's just one appearing to be many. Just one appearing to be many. Just one imaginary screenshot. Is there any depth to the picture? Or just appears to be? Any screenshot of your life is that most amazing museum-worthy masterpiece, the most incredible artistic expression of beauty, mystery, and magic. At any moment, any screenshot would be that. And that's all there is to it. It's so simple. It's hard to believe. The mind always needs complex theories and explanations, so you completely miss what is right here. If there ever was anything at all. And focus on how you feel this moment. Focus on that feeling we don't always recognize. To be able to feel fear is the beginning of our journey into the human heart. And you can spend an entire day without realizing you're doing things out of fear, out of insecurity, looking for a better experience in the future, because we have the sense that there is always something missing here. There is always something missing here. And then a loss of energy happens in the body-mind system. That's why you get to the end of the day and you feel tired, but not fulfilled. And it's perfectly normal to feel fear. It's the starting block for liberation. Who is the one who feels afraid? Is that really you? Is that really you? What you are going to experience today is going to be a little unusual, a little radical, a little slow. To slow you down so you don't miss what is actually happening.